attempt of the flower challenge.
You've got flour in your cup.
Is this mine?
Yeah, I think so.
Ooh,
Why have you put one of them?
shall we just get... Ooh.
Move.
Right. This is our third attempt. Hopefully you can see us a bit more. Don't, you'll drop it. Yeah, I'll drop it. There's yours.
That's not even mine, that's yours.
Right, there we go.
Wait, not
It's
yet.
only a teaspoon.
This is actually disgusting. Do not try this at home, kids.
3, 2, 1.
I can't breathe. My mouth's gonna fly.
Oh, good guy. This is self-raising flour.
It's stuck in my teeth.
Duh.
Oh my god, you fully spat it all over my shoulder. Okay, gonna go now. Kitchen needs a bit of a clearing up.